We all know deep down stacking certificates won't get you a job. Also, finding good internship is hard. There are too few out there. So, what do you actually do? What's the smarter path? How do you add more value to your resume? That's exactly we will figure out today. We will compare both certificates and internships, break down what recruiters actually care about, and I'll help you make a smart, practical plan that works even if you're starting from scratch. By the end, you won't just know what to focus on, you will know how to use your time and effort wisely to actually get noticed and get hired. Certificates versus internships. Let's break this down. Certificates and internships both help, but they serve different purposes. A certificate shows that you have learned something, and internship shows that you have applied it in a real world environment. But that doesn't mean internships are always better and certificates are useless. That's just not true. In fact, some skills are easier to learn through certifications, especially when you are just getting started. When you do a course properly, especially one with hands-on projects and mentor guidance, you can go deep into the subject. You can ask questions, work on assignments, and actually understand how things work. Ironically, you might not get that depth during an internship. Why? Because internships are short. You will often be given small tasks. You might not get to build an entire project or explore a topic in depth. But internships give you something else, real-world exposure. You get to see how your team works, how projects are executed, how communication flows, and how tasks are prioritized. You won't apply everything you learned in an internship, but if you pay attention, you will learn how the industry actually functions. So, don't compare them as one being better than the other. Both matter, but in different ways. Here is a simple comparison to make that clearer. You can pause the video and take a screenshot for future reference. So, what do recruiters actually care about when hiring freshers? It's not about how many certificates you have collected or how long your internship was. What they look for falls into three main buckets, and each one is tested in a different way. First one, problem solving ability. Usually tested through aptitude tests, coding rounds, or basic TSA problems. Recruiters want to know, can you think logically and solve problems under the time pressure? Second one, subject knowledge. They will check your core technical knowledge through multiple technical interview rounds. Third one, soft skills and work readiness. This includes things like communication. Can you explain what you did? Fourth one, teamwork. Have you worked with others? Initiative, that did you build everything on your own? Recruiters assess this during interviews, group discussions, or even by looking at your resume, GitHub, LinkedIn, or how you talk about your projects. It could be a certificate, it could be an internship. The real question is, what did you learn? Can you apply it? Can you talk about it clearly? That's what recruiters care about. What matters is, can you show proof of skill? Can you talk about what you have built or learned clearly? How to combine both strategically. Now let's talk about how can you combine certificates and internships in a smarter way. Think of it like this. Use internships to build your foundation. Pick one skill, learn it properly, and do the project seriously. Then use certificates to apply those skills, even if it's just for a few weeks. That real-world exposure makes a difference. Don't just collect 5 certificates in random topics. Pick one skill path like web development, data analysis, or software testing. Do one solid course. Build 1-2 small projects. Apply for internships or freelance gigs. Even if you get an internship right away, you can still build your own projects or contribute to open source. That still counts. And while you are doing this, start putting everything on GitHub and sharing your journey on LinkedIn. It shows initiative and gets you noticed. This way, you are not stuck in theory. And you are not waiting endlessly for an internship either. You are building proof. And that's what gets you hired. So here is the bottom line. Certificates and internships are both useful. But what matters is how you use them. Don't chase certificates just to fill up your resume. And don't wait forever for the perfect internship. Pick one skill, learn it well, build something with it, and find any way to apply it through an internship, a project, a freelance gig, or open source. That's how you will build proof. That's how you will stand out. And remember, recruiters don't just hire based on how many things you did. They hire based on what you can actually do. Start small, stay consistent, and show your work. That's the smartest path to your first software job. Certificates plus projects plus proof of work equal to your first job. Don't just learn, build, apply, and share. Internships or certificates, which is best? Let me know in the comments. If you like this video, share it with your friends.